Hello guys, today's video is about how to change the Wi-Fi password. For that, you have to use this number 192.168.1.1. Some of the device won't accept it, so use the other number. Log in with this number and you will be directly open to the Wi-Fi's main site, which is not secure but don't matter it. Use the username and the password written below on the modem which you are using. After logging in, you can see lot of options on this site. Although this site is not secure because it's an intersection networking address site, don't mind it, okay? And go to the WAN section of this site. After selecting that, you can see lot of options below that. From that, you can see your Wi-Fi's name. You can also change the Wi-Fi name by there. For changing the password, you have to select the security option. From security option, you have to look the down section or the pinned section and select to change. From there, you can change your password so easily, and the main thing is to apply this thing. After writing new password, apply the changes and wait for some time and then reload the page. After reloading the page, you might be seeing that no internet. Go to the Wi-Fi settings of your laptop and take out your Wi-Fi's name and put your new password. Now it's ready. So guys, for more tutorials and more videos, subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video with your friends. My name is Abhinav. This is Mr. Tech. Catch you on the next one.